Komachielo en ni okang' morito mar chik ibiro kaw ne johala mabende koro uso ne jo Kenya kothe goeko mago ma ok opuodhi e pacho kaendi. Magi gin weche goeko mane ogol kod jatend migao mano mar pur koda pith e pacho kaendi Mutai Kagwe kinde goeko mane entiere e apedha manoendo mar rango johala goeko ma uso kothe ma ok opuodhi. Ka bende ojiwo jo Kenya mondo one ni ginyiew kothe mana e dukni goeko mago mopuodhi koda sirikal ma pacho kaendi kinde goeko mane oluwo ni weche goeko mago mag puro ok gin mago ma owinjore ketie amila ma ok nyal konyo.
And there is a counterfeiter who is even selling fake seeds to our farmers here. And I have said, for those who are selling fake seeds to our farmers, as far as I'm concerned, it is economic treason. As a nation, in terms of criminalizing the activities that are happening in the farming sector, we are not doing enough. And we have spoken to our colleagues in Parliament, and we will be proposing to them much stiffer penalties for those who are criminals in the agricultural sector. As you know, Caro does a lot to help farmers in terms of soil testing. I don't know how much they are charging, but whatever they are charging, we can drop it down to nothing because science is what we are going to use. We have been going around the country. You drive to a farm and you collect a sample. Moving forward, this is going to be done by drones. We are not going to be driving around, and we can test a lot more intensively if we use the science that is available to us. So, in fact, in my opinion, soil testing should actually be a service that is simply provided for free to people so that they can then respond by buying the correct fertilizers. As a nation, we are carrying out an exercise as we speak for soil mapping. And as I said, the Kenya Agricultural Digital Information Center, KADIC, we will be signing an MOU with Fahari. Fahari is the Kenya Airways wing for drones. So the two organizations will be signing an agreement or a memorandum of understanding so that we can start using Fahari. Instead of Caro buying drones, we can hire them and lease them from another arm of government, which is essentially Kenya Airways. So that is going to happen.
Weche moko en ni piny mar Kenya kaachiel koda piny mar Ireland